And that's it right there. So let's go ahead and let's pull it out of here and see what we think. Okay, look, damn, oh, this is cute. Check this out. It comes in this cool little container, and you do get this booklet that kind of explains everything, so you definitely want to, you know, do something with it. I'm going to put it back in the box. We're just going to go ahead and close the box up. I'm going to set the box right there. And now, to find this, all we got to do is unzip it. That's right, so we've got her unzipped, right? Pop it open. Let's see what's in here. Okay, you get a charge cord. Let's see what's in the charge cord. Let's see what kind of charge cord it is. I think it's a USB-C. Nope, it's a regular USB. You see that? And it goes, yeah, so you're going to need this. You got to charge it, right? And we'll see where we have to charge. Set that there for right now. Let's go ahead and just pull them out and see what they look like. I think they're going to be cool. What do you guys think? Set that over there. Oh, look. Wow. Carefor. Wow, look at those. And there's the on button. Let's see if there's any power on them. I think you have to hold it.
Welcome to use Intelligent Eye Massager integrated mode.
There it goes. Look, it's doing it. Look. See it? Watch. It's moving on the inside. And you have music. And I think you can increase it and decrease it here. Wow. Look at it. See how it's filling up? Yeah. These are, I don't know what these do. I don't think they do anything. It's cool music, right? It's got 2 speakers. And here's your charging port. That's where you charge it. This is called Carefor. All right, so we're going to have to try it out, okay? We're going to have to try it. I'm going to have to put it on. So hang on for a second. In this video, I'm going to show you how to charge your Carefor eyeball massager, all right? If you look on the bottom, you're going to see there's a port. And this is the USB that you need, one of these. And so you've got to make sure that you put it in correctly. So you got to slide it in there like that. Just smush it in. You know what? I'm going to use the one they gave me. We're going to take this one just in case. You know what I mean? This one they gave me, I was trying to use a longer one, but I'll use this one. And I'm going to push that in there. It doesn't really go in very good. You know what I mean? And the reason I wanted to switch it was because this one is not as long. And I've got to get down, but I think it'll work. I think it'll still work. So we'll put it like that. I'm going to just put it on my forehead for right now so you guys can see it. And then it doesn't come with a charging block, so you have to get a charging block. So I got this charging block here. So I'm just going to push this in here like that. All right, so now this is ready to charge up. Let me show you how I'm going to charge it. What I'm going to do is I'm going to plug it down in here to this baby here. Bam, just like that. Okay, now we got it all charged up. And then we can look, and you can see that there's a little red dot on it right there. You see that? So that's telling me that it's charging. So we've got it plugged in. And I'm just going to set it right here. And I think that's either going to go out or it's going to turn green. And so we just let it sit there for an hour or two and let it charge up. And then we can use it. All right, so our Carefor Eye Massager is completely charged. It's got a nice blue hue here. And now we can go ahead and try it out and use it. So we can go ahead and unplug it. We don't need to keep charging it. You know, once your thing's charged, you don't need to keep all this plugged in. It's not smart. Burns electricity. It's not a good idea. But now we can go ahead and try it out and see what we think. Just so you guys can hear, that's the music coming from the speakers. There's your charging port. This makes the music go up and down, and this is your start button, which you got to press and hold. And you can see it oscillating, look. See how it squishes out? So yeah, I think it's pretty cool. All right, I would definitely give them a try. See what you guys think. So to turn it off, I'm just going to press it and hold it.
Thank you for using. Goodbye.
Goodbye. All right, so I got to try it on, right? Let me get in position. I got to take my glasses off. And then we're just going to go ahead and slip her on. Here we go. You ready? Wow. It feels good. You got to shut your eyes too, by the way. The music is awesome. Now over here is the controls. And I think you can go up and down right here. So if I do that, the music goes higher. If I do that, the music goes lower. So this is for the music. This part right here. And it's nice and warm. Feels good. Ah. I think it works. It's very relaxing. See if you can see it doing anything here. You can feel it squeezing all through there, and it's warm. Oh yeah, it feels good. Oh yeah. I think I can put it a little bit higher. Oh yeah, pushes right on your occipital, I think it's called, bone. Yeah, I would say yeah. This is pretty good. I like it, and it's going through a bunch of different music. So I'm going to put it up here for now. I would give this a 4 or 5 star. I think it's good. So peace out. Get one of them, especially if you got headaches. I think this might work. You can't walk around with it on though. All right. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos where I show you stuff like this. Peace out.